Yeah, good morning, Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Sunday, the 6th of March 2022. This is my weekly analysis video where I go over all the pairs I'm trading on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods. I'm sorry I'm one day late. Normally I do this on a Saturday, but yesterday I was traveling between Mackay and now I'm in Hervey Bay visiting a friend. So getting closer to Brisbane, but still heading south. So one day late on the video. So let's have a look at it. This is going to be a pretty quick one. There may be a bit of background noise. Sorry about that, but that's just the way it is. I'm traveling, so I deal with what I deal with. Now, first up, thanks for watching the video. If you do like the videos, please subscribe, hit the like button. I know they're not the greatest videos on the planet, as I say every week, but they get the message across and all's good. Also, I call all these trades. Let's go. Let's get into the news first. Where is it? So before I get into the charts and talk about the trades, we'll just have a look at the economic calendar for the week ahead. So not much happening at all early in the week. Hang on a sec. Monday, nothing. Tuesday, nothing. So nothing other than Russia and Ukraine, obviously. I'm only interested in high impact events, which are the red ones, especially if you're a day trader, not so much trading off the daily time frame. So there's not much. A couple of Euro. In Europe, we've got the main refinancing rate, which is like the interest rates for Europe on Thursday. CPI out of the US on Thursday. Then the big one on Friday is Canadian employment or unemployment numbers. So they normally have that the first Friday, which would have been last Friday, but Canada sometimes puts it back a week. Not sure why. So not much in the news at all, but just be careful with any of the news. So let's have a quick look at the charts. Before we do that, I'll just bring up this Word document I show every week. Just explains what all the technical indicators are on my charts. You can read this, take a screenshot, pause the video, read that. I'm not going to go through it. This is going to be a quick video, as I said. Time constraints. So just have a read of that. Explains all the different colors. I normally explain them on the chart anyway. So the MACD Platinum's the main indicator down the bottom of the chart. Oscillates around the 0 level. Looking to sell when it's above and buy when it's below. So it's pretty basic. So let's get on the charts. Where are they? Here they are. So this is my watch list on the right. This is trading view. Generally, if it's highlighted in light blue, means I've taken a trade and I've taken some trade management action on it. Dark blue, no action taken on it as far. If it's highlighted in orange, means I want to talk about it in this video. And if there's no highlight, means no trade on that pair. So I'll just go through all the pairs. They're in alphabetical order. Just one thing, this is trading view, so it gives you a heads up on what's coming on Monday, whereas MT4, MT5 don't. That's a good thing I like about trading view. And just for your information, there is no new trading signals for Monday, so there's nothing new. So let's run through the pairs. As I said, this is going to be quick. All my notes are on the chart. You can just pause the video, read this. It's got the pair, the date, the signal, and my thoughts on the chart, on the trade, and where we're at. So this is a buy here. There's a stop loss there. This is going up nicely, so I can't complain. I've got trend lines drawn for potential divergence. That one's getting close to being on. If this pops up a little bit higher like that, it's no longer valid. Just delete them. At this stage, I'm going to delete it. It's not even divergence anymore. There's possible divergence across there from that high to there. Let's have a look at that. So let's have a look there, bearish, bang, there. Like I said, I just draw these lines in, just preparation. So that's a lower high still, and that's a higher high. If this goes higher, it's no longer valid, delete it. So that's AusCAD looking good on a buy. Now, what I was going to say before, all these trades are called at the time when I actually take them. I post them in the JAGfx group, the Telegram channels, and Matt from Family Man's Discord channel. At the time, take a screenshot, post a screenshot. So it's all transparent, all from the right edge of the chart, no after the fact stuff. Everyone's more than welcome to join any of those groups. There should be links to those in the description of the video. So that's AusCAD looking good there, team. All good on the buy. AusYen, another one, buy, very similar. Buy here, read the notes, stops now above the entry level. I'm in a like with these trades, I'll just drag this stop up a bit higher in a couple of days. No rush at the moment. Oh, now my watch is going off. So, and the dogs are going off. So no rush at the moment to bring the stop up, but that's something, even the Oz Cat, I could probably look at bringing the stop up. Actually, let's bring it up. We'll bring it up while I'm on the video. We'll bring it up into the MA somewhere, just below that low there. So we're moving up the stop, locking in profit. It makes sense there. I'll move up my, all a bit messy, but there we go. So moving up the stop. Oz Yen, yeah, we'll bring it up a little bit. Dramas, wrong one, Jim, you idiot. Red one. Sorry, I'm on my, because I lost my second monitor on my move, things are a bit tighter on the laptop. So there's my stop. It's moved up a bit, just locking a bit more profit. Oz New Zealand, this is a bit of a mixed bag. I've got a buy here, sell here. So there's the buy, there's a sell. All my notes for the most recent trader on the right, which was a buy here. It's just not convincing me. I've got all sorts of divergence. You can read the notes there. So I'm in 3 trades. Ideally, I'd like to see the buys go through and take out the sell stop. That would be perfect because I haven't changed, I haven't modified any stops yet. We're in no man's land. So it's a bit messy, but now see this previous high here. I probably should draw this here. This is my concern. It's got to take out that previous high, and it doesn't appear to have done so. There's my friend's dogs just comes and annoys me. Get up, mate. All right, yeah, dogs are. So this high here, it came to the high and it's bounced. Friday we had a bearish candle there, so we're still profitable in both the buys and losing a bit on the sell, but the sell stop hasn't been taken out. So we're still in no man's land on the Oz New Zealand. Aussie USD. I left this on just to show you. It's highlighted. We took a sell here. It was a good setup. I thought it was. And it was stopped out. If it wasn't stopped out, you would have closed it out on this green QMP filter dot. And I called that in the groups I mentioned before, the Facebook group and Telegram channel. So I called that close. So I'll just leave it on the charts to show you guys. We took a loss there. Now, I'll leave that on there. I'll remove this after the video is finished, but again, setting up for potential further divergence, maybe. But at this stage, took the loss, full loss, and the MACD platinum still above the 0 level, so I'm looking to take a sell coming down. That's the next plan. Loss on the Aussie USD. Not the end of the world though. CAD Swiss, I just left this on to show you. I did call this. I called the close of this buy trade on Friday open, which is in here, for a small profit. So I didn't. The reason I called it, we had that big bearish candle on Thursday. It went nowhere. The buy went up one day, down, up, down. It's just not looking good. The trend's technically down. We're in amongst the MAs. The MACD platinum's getting close to 0 level. Looks like it's going to roll over. So I closed the buy for a small profit on Friday. So I just left it on the chart to show you. All good. Euro Aussie in a sell here. Let's move this stop. Going great guns. Even in my private trading, I'm making a killing on some of these pairs at the moment, which is good. So I'll bring the stop down to there. Just in amongst the MAs, the trend's starting to turn down. Look at this. These are the trades. I'm only in a partial sell, so it's not a great profit, but it's a good profit. That's a lot of points, a lot of pips. Euro Swiss, same deal. We're going well. I'll just leave the stop there at the entry level. Again, it's a partial sell, but now we're in good territory for profit. Euro Yen, another same. I'll bring down the stop on the Euro Yen. Let's lock some profit in. We'll just bring it down here somewhere. I'll bring it tighter. So there's the Euro Yen sell, looking good. So the Aussie USD I got stopped out on. I don't care because look, you look at the big picture. Euro USD, another one that's sell, going well. Let's bring the stop down, eh? So we'll bring the stop in here somewhere. Just keep it around the MAs. Can't lose on it. Broken all these lows here. Probably get rid of those. Yeah, so it's going nicely, heading down, still heading down the MACD platinum. Pound Swiss, another one that's going well. Sell trade, look, I know it's a little bit monotonous, a little bit boring, but That's what you want when you do want to nail these big moves, and that's why you take every trade. You know, you have to have faith in the system, like I always say. And this is just going down nicely. Get rid of that. That's well and truly taken out. My concern now is we're on this. I should have just moved it, shouldn't I? My concern is we're on this previous low now, so this is something to be aware of. It could be a support level there, so just be careful. It'll probably blow through there. I don't know. Pound yen, sell trade going well. Let's bring down the stop here because this is against the trend. Bring the stop down to there, lock in at least profit on the second half also. Again, trend lines in place. Pound New Zealand, yeah, another big one. Sell, we're going well. Made plenty on the buy side, now we're making plenty on the sell side. I'm going to get aggressive with this one. The trend looks like it's rolling over. We'll bring the stop down there, eh? Lock in plenty of profit there. Pound New Zealand, pound USD, I haven't got a trade on. Yeah. New Zealand CAD, another one I'll stop down on. I got a buy from 4th of Feb here, partial buy. I've left that on. But tighten up the stop. Took a sell here, which I thought was a good setup, and it got stopped out. But the good thing is, got this partial buy on, so it's all good. And now we're just MACD platinum still above the zero level, so now I'm just waiting on another potential sell. And in the meantime, that buy is the partial buy is offsetting part of the loss on the. I hate when it does that. It's offsetting part of the loss on that previous sell, so it's not the end of the world. That's why I say keep some trades on for insurance purposes. Doesn't always work out like that, but it's good. USD Japanese yen, we're in a buy here. This is a tough on a trade. Not breaking these highs here, so I'm not got a great deal of confidence in this trade. Look at all these crosses here on the MACD platinum. So the warning line's there because there's a red dot. And so if we get a reversal signal, I'll just close, take the loss on the, if it doesn't hit the stop, I'll take the loss on the buy anyway. Gold's the other one that's got a trade on, buy here. Let's move the stop up a little bit. Everyone knows I'm not that big a gold bug, but it's just showing the system working on gold in the daily chart. Broke this previous high here, well and truly away from the 1800, which is a big number, and we're locking in profit there. It's a partial buy, and it's going to the moon thanks to the Russia-Ukraine conflict. What else we got? We just look at these three. The US dollar. This is more out of curiosity, see where we're going. And just to show you on the charts that the signals do work, and we've got this high, but we can drag this across a bit because this level here is pretty significant. It seems to have trouble breaking that. MACD platinum was above the zero level. Last signal was a buy, but going nowhere, not convincing. US 500, the stock market, US at this low here. I don't know how far it extends. So here's the market, gone up, trouble breaking this high, dropped down, bounced off this previous low, up again. Didn't break any previous highs, and now it bounced off it again, and we're still hanging around this sort of area here. We did have a spike down. I think that was it when the invasion sort of date around there. I'm assuming, or close to it. But the last signal was a buy, going nowhere fast. MAs are starting to roll over, first time in a long time. So that's the US stock market, which has got generally a bullish bias. And finally, Bitcoin. And the last signal is a sell there. So we've got a sell now. It's going nowhere fast, just bouncing around. What have we got here? These numbers, that's the 40,000 level. So these are just big numbers, the green lines. So that's it for the charts. There's not really much to report other than a couple of stop adjustments and also a couple of trades stopped out. But like I said, the majority of the trades are going great guns, so the ones that are stopped out, no big deal. So the losses have been offset well and truly by the profits. Is that document again? If you want to read it, we're a bit confused. I'm sorry I rushed this video, guys, but it's I am on a bit of a time filter sort of thing. So you can read that. If you've got any questions, just fire them away in any of those groups or email me at admin@JAGfx.com. More than happy to help. I'll try and get this video uploaded ASAP, And that's about me done for the weekend. I'm hopefully going to catch up with one of my readers this afternoon. He hasn't got back to me yet, but we'll see how we go. And I'll head back to Brisbane, Gold Coast area the next day or so if the floods have receded. I can get in there. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the weekend, what's left of it, and I'll talk to you guys another day. Cheers.